Hello, I'm doing a video on my 208. It has a fluctuating idle between 800 and 1000. I took it to the mechanic and they were telling me that I had to pay £1,000 to get it repaired. So I decided to clean the throttle head inside the engine, and this is how I went about it. All I needed was the tool mentioned above. So you start by clicking on the yellow part, so it sort of just comes off after you click that part. So this part, all you need to do is just put your finger in the middle part, and if you press it, it will just come off. And the bottom part, a little bit fiddly, but all you have to do is turn it clockwise and then remove it. This, you use a flat head to remove it. This is when you use your number 10 socket to remove that. It's a little bit fiddly removing this part, but yeah, just shake it a little bit. That's the filter. So that removes show you the head of the throttle body. This is the this is the one that I use, VC980. It was very good. It sort of softened all the black parts, all the clogs around it, and so you're able to clean it. I used a sponge to remove it. It didn't do it did well, but I had to use cotton bud as well to clean deeper. I had someone go inside the car to on the ignition without actually owning the car and pressing the accelerator. That opened the throttle head, and I was able to clean deeper inside using the cotton bud. And I left the car for a while, and then after all this it has evaporated, I on the car. There was some irregular noise within the first second of it, but that's all. And then the car was like good, like new. All right, thank you everyone for watching. God bless. I wish you all good luck in your